10-year-old boy gets restrained by...
What did you get locked up for?
Give me 1 second, man.
Okay. I can go ahead and tell you the charges. Okay. All right, man. Right now you're gonna go to jail.
Don't start that.
Ag assault by strangulation, okay, as well as false imprisonment, okay. What we're gonna do here is I'm not the original. Calm down, man. Okay, calm down.
Stop it. Stop, boy. Stop, boy. Look now.
Hey, chill out.
Okay.
Chill out. Let him go. Let him go.
Don't.
Let him go.
All right. Okay. Ag assault. Yep. Okay. And now, like I said, I'm not the initial officer. However, the initial officer is over at the jail, right there by the jail at least, and he's willing to meet us at the jail and have a conversation with you if you wish to do so. Okay. But however, understand this, that you are under arrest. Okay. All right. And we will Mirandize you if you wish to speak with the other officer. Okay. But understand that anything you say can be used against you. Okay. Anything you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. Okay. So understand that.
Chill.
Like I said, do you wish to speak with? Okay.
Why he get locked up for?
Best thing to do is for us to go ahead and leave, okay? He's going to jail for ag assault.
But she was at my sister's house.
Okay. No.
But why she not getting
Go ahead and put him back in the car. Go ahead. Well, go ahead. Come on, let's go. All right. Go and take him. Go. Okay.
You going to jail!
Come on.
You going?
Somebody, please come get me out, man.
Yeah, cause you can't do
What?
Don't do it, man.
What?
Okay.
What?
But I'm
All right.
you go back now.
What?
Man, who you trying to fight? Why she not getting locked up and she came to my sister's house fighting my brother?
Okay. That's not what happened. That's not what his.
Man, stop now!
Don't do that. Don't run my officer.
Okay.
Don't you do that.
Yes, sir.
Back up. Back up now. Everybody back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Why y'all doing this?
Stop. Stop.
Man, let him go.
We're back up. Back up. Back up. Stop.
Okay, sorry.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Back up. Help me here.
Sorry.
Calm down.
Sorry.
Calm down, man. Calm down. You're going to calm down for a second. You're going to put handcuffs on, okay? You're not going to jail. You're not. Stop. Okay?
I'm sorry.
You need to, okay? Understand.
Yes, sir.
You don't run a police officer. Okay?
Let
Let go.
Can I go to jail?
No. Okay? You good?
Yes.
Calm down.
Yes, sir.
You got him?
Yes, sir.
You good, man? Come on.
Okay.
You good?
Yes.
Okay, listen.
Yes, sir.
If I let you up,
Uh-huh.
we're going to stand up. We're going to have a conversation, okay? I don't need you running around like that. I don't need you.
Sorry,
Okay.
He's a child. You don't come be doing
He attacks my officer, okay? Back up. Everybody back away from my vehicle. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back away from my officer and everybody.
Don't put it in. Don't put it in.
You want to go to jail?
I sit in the car.
What you doing? You so unprofessional right now. You're so unprofessional. You're unprofessional and you know it.
I'm trying to have a conversation.
But we're on anti-period. And we're on anti-period.
They're going to call your mom, okay?
My daddy phone.
We're going to get it. We're going to get
What my daddy do?
Okay.
He didn't do that.
Don't worry about that, okay, man? Don't worry about that, okay? You need to be there. Okay, you need to be there for your dad, okay? You want to come down here and see him? Okay. Come on.
I ain't got him. He need his own phone to get them numbers out.
Okay. They got your mom's number. You gonna say bye? Hold on, we're gonna roll down the window.
Daddy, can I see your phone? Can I have your phone? Because I want to call Tita, rebel when you get out, Daddy.
He's strong. He's strong. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. He's strong.